Hi there, Wendy here from Draw So Cute. In today we're going to draw the new Wonder Woman, so let's get started. With this drawing, we're going to first start by drawing Wonder Woman's face. So right here I'm going to start to draw bottom of a U. So I'm going to come across about right here. Nice deep curve for her face. Here and connect it. All the way back. So it's a nice bottom of a U. And then from there, let's come over here and I'm going to start to draw her eyes first. So then it makes it easier to gauge where to put her crown and her hair. So where we started, I'm going to come about right here towards the edge and draw a circle for her eyes. And so same thing on this side, so about right here towards the edge. And draw another circle. And so I'm going to come in here and make them Draw So Cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. Sorry this Wonder Woman drawing took me so long to get to you guys. It's been sitting on my desk and I've been so busy with Christmas stuff and all these other little things that I've kind of put it aside. I know the movie's been out forever, but at least Justice League just came out, right? So hopefully you guys still want to draw Wonder Woman and shade in the top. I definitely saw the movie, the Wonder Woman movie, and I loved it so much. So hopefully you guys love my Draw So Cute version of her. So okay, so then I'm just gonna come right here and draw some lashes. Nice and simple. Let's see here, maybe 3 of them. On the sides. So same thing on this side, just pop out 3 lashes. Okay, now let's give her a sweet smile. So a little bit of smirk. Let's say about right here and go up. There. Now to draw her, let's bring this line back up a little bit more for the rest of her face. Go up. And before we finish draw her crown, let's come up here and we're going to draw her eyebrows. So I'm going to come say about right here, give it a nice arc, and come in here and thicken it up like that. So same thing over here, give it a little arc and thicken it up. And then now we can go ahead and draw her crown. So right in between the eyebrow area in the center, I'm going to give myself a point. So that's going to be the beginning of the crown. But before I finish that, let's come up here and finish off the top of her head. So I'm going to come to the side about right here. I'm going to give myself some space for the crown. So about right here, I'm going to give myself a point. And I'm going to connect this line. So this is kind of like where her hair would part. So then right here, I'm just going to dip a curve and bring it and connect it. So then, you know what, let's draw the rest of her hair first. So we're going to come to this point right here where her side, where her hair parts, and we're going to come up a little bit right here. And we're going to start to draw the top of her head. So right here, draw a little curve, and then we're going to start to bring it down. Bring it up. So everything will start from here because that's where her hair parts. And let's see here. Bring this down and just start to wave it. And this side as well, bring it around. And you can start to wave it about right there. So it looks really weird right now, right? It'll all come together, don't worry. So from here, with this little curve you gave yourself, we're just going to draw a curve out for some details in her hair. And you can draw some lines for some details in her hair. And so then right here on this edge, we're going to come out with a curve. And maybe another one right here for a full head of hair. So same thing over here. And one more. Okay, now it's starting to look a little bit better, but it still looks weird because there's all this huge empty space right here. So let's draw her crown. So I'm going to use this center point right here, and I'm going to basically go up. Kind of draw this curve of a V right in the center, and from there I'm going to bring a curve down. So same thing on this side. Okay, so then from there, let's come to the center again, and I'm going to give myself another point. I'm going to bring up a higher curve, go all the way up, say about right there, and I'm going to bring it down. Same thing over here, all the way up, and bring it down. So then let's come in here, we're going to add some details now. And come down. So we have that curve in, a little bit wobbly. Okay, there. And then now let's come to the center of this point, say about right here, and we're going to draw a curve in. Little angle right there. Oh my gosh, I'm muddling it up with this Sharpie. Okay, now let's come in here and we're going to draw that starburst. So come in the center right here and we're going to draw a starburst. Like that, right in the center. And let's bring in another curve right here to finish it off. So I think my angles are not matching, but that's okay. So there, something like that. Hope I didn't make it too complicated for you to follow. Okay, so now that we have her crown in, let's draw her body. So I'm going to come right here and give her a little neck right in the center. And we're going to bring out her shoulders. A little neck and her shoulder. And I'm going to imagine her armpits about right here. So I'm going to give myself 2 points and I'm going to bring an angle down. So I'm going to bring it in this time to give her a waist. And say from there, I'm going to draw the top part of this. So I'm going to come in the center right here and draw that eagle head. So it's going to be a curve, the beak area. So you just want to draw a little curve like that. And then we're going to go up and down. Up and down for the top of the her outfit right there. And so from here, we're going to bring this out. So come out and same thing over here. So this is the beginning of her skirt. And so she has all these details. So let's bring this skirt out first. And so there's going to be a lot of details in this area right here. So I'm just going to speed this part up. So hopefully you can follow along because it's going to take forever if I go, if I try to describe every part. But basically you want to start at the center and we're going to go up and start to draw all the patterns in here. So we're going to go up. Okay, so there. I hope I made that easy for you to see what I was doing in there, but like I said, it's because there's just so many details, I wanted to speed that up part for you. So now let's come in here and let's draw her arms. So I'm going to come out right here, and her arms are just going to be right to her side. So armpits are right here. I'm going to bring down a line. And say about right there, I'm going to add a cuff that she wears and bring it down again. So I'm tapering as I go down, and then right here I'm just going to connect it, add some details, and then we're going to bring out her hand. So it's just a thumb and her fingers. So I'm going to come in here for some details because she's wearing these gloves like that. Okay, so then let's see here. Let's draw the other hand. So this other hand is kind of to this, on her side right here, she's holding a sword. So I'm going to follow this angle and come out. So approximately same area right here. Just come in here and connect it. So once again, she has that cuff area. Pop it out a little bit and to draw her hands. So right here, I'm going to draw her thumb. So she's holding a sword in this hand. So with this thumb right here, I'm going to basically be drawing a very sharp point. So I'm going to come from this point and draw a straight angled line down, and I'm going to bring it back up. Oh. I'm going to try to bring it back up. There, and then you can add some little details there in the back. Got a little too fat in my line. Okay, there. So she's holding her sword. And then some lines right here for her glove area. And then now her legs. I'm going to come over here in the center and I'm going to draw 2 angle lines down. So right here, her hip. And then I'm going to continue this line down. So it's going to be pretty straight angle down. So I'm going to bring it all the way down. Her long, long legs. And let's see here, bring it all the way. A little bit more, and then I'm going to start to draw her feet. So we angle it out and connect it. So same thing over here. Angle it out. Just make sure it's at the same point and connect it. Okay, so now to draw some details in there. We're going to come over here about where her knee would be in this area, and I'm going to draw an angle line. So up here for her boots. So this is her knee area. And for some details right here, I'm going to come in here for her boot right here. She has this cuff that's over her foot area. And some details right here in the center. And some lines. And 3 of them. Okay, so same thing on this side. Everything is just going to be exactly the same. And so then from there, let's finish off her hair. So I'm going to bring this wave down and just tuck it behind her. Nice and simple. That's pretty much it for this Draw So Cute New Wonder Woman. I know it's a little bit complicated, but I hope I made it easy for you to follow along. Thanks so much for watching, and if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.